I thought I've seen it all with TikTok. Then boom, an app coming and you earn as you perform simple taxes to answer or pick a call inside that app. You get paid. For you going live, you get paid. Even with 0 followers, you get paid. You play game, you get paid. Oh my god. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm not only going to reveal to you which app is this, I'll also practically show you how to sign up and how to earn, because with this app you need to get invitation, you need to get added to an agency and all that. And don't worry, all this and much more is what this video is going to be all about. Welcome back to my channel, where I talk about entrepreneurship, content creation, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Thank you so much. Like, what a time to be alive. You remember when I make this video and I talk about Web3 and so many other opportunities that comes along with it? This is one of them. So the app I'm talking about is Poppo app, but don't just go to download it yet. Reason is because you will get lost. Reason is because you need to be introduced or added to an agency and all that. So, and that is why I decided, since I have spent 2 days inside the app and I've seen I have earned, I said, let me create a Telegram channel where I'm going to teach you step by step, where you have access to me and I'll be answering questions and all that. But then before we go into that, I also want to show you practically how to sign up. So I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video, and I'm going to drop it in the comment section of this video. But better yet, you can join the Telegram group where I will drop the link to sign up, where you can ask me questions. But before you go there, ensure you drop a thoughtful comment. Tell me thank you or something sweet in the comment section. Like, I'm going to greatly appreciate that. So let's go to the practical aspect of this video, where I will show you how to sign up. You're welcome to the practical aspect. So if you join the Telegram, you are going to see I pin a post like this. Click on this link. It's going to take you. You click on open. So once you click on open, it's going to open the link, and then you are going to join by downloading. So like my phone always have security, so that is why it asks a lot of questions. So once you come right here, you are going to click on download immediately. So when you click on download immediately, it's going to bring you where you are going to input your phone number, and show you pick your country. So you are going to put your phone number, and you are going to put this number that is displayed on your phone. You are going to also make sure you create a password for yourself. You add your name, your birthday, your gender, and then you upload a clear picture of you. Yes, so once that is done, you are going to see this go live. So but before you go live, you are going to like click to go this little arrow up there. You are going to click to go out a bit. You are going to see all these tasks, that things you are supposed to be doing, things that you need to do so that you earn more money. All right, so but before you go into all that, please, if you have not liked this video or subscribed to my channel on YouTube, kindly do so. It really means a lot to me. And ensure you turn on the notification so that you'll be notified. So once you click the little arrow up there like this, it's going to bring you to where you need to like to identify, all right, to create your own identity. Okay, you click on it to upload a very beautiful picture of yourself. You click on start certification. Here is going to confirm. You are going to be shaking your head so that it will know that it is you, to verify that that beautiful picture you posted is actually you. All right, so it's going to tell you it's under review. All right, so once that is done, the next thing is to be added to an agency. So you have to have someone that is going to be your agent, and I am an agent. So what you should do is you go to your homepage and click on settings. Then you now come up right here and click on add to agency. So when you click on add to agency, you are going to add my agency code number. As you can see, I'm an agent. So in your own place, it will say put ID, agency ID. You are going to type 3557180. Please, you need to be very careful and put my agency code, because it's going to help you a lot along the journey. And then how do I know that you are part of my agency? So that I will allow you sit on the crown seat so that you earn money while you perform your tax. You need to add my logo. And how do you add my logo? After you have added me as an agency, so that you have joined my agency, you are going to click and go out, come to where your name is. you tap on your name, your profile name. It will bring you here. Click on that pencil sign. It will bring you up right here. So you click on nickname. So when you click on nickname, you will now be able to add my logo, which is the star and dawn. And how do you get that? Okay, you just come right over, click on the emoji sign and type the word star. That is, if it didn't appear here, you can just click and search the word star. When you click on star, you are going to see this particular star. You tap on it so that it will appear. All right. The next thing is you are going to also remove it and type done. That's D-O-N-E. The done will come out. So once that is done, you click on done above, and voila, you have your own logo. Our logo will be shown. And the second thing is, in case you don't know how to do that, you can just send me, copy your own ID. Copy your own ID on your picture, on your profile, and then come to join the Telegram group, and then DM me and tell me that this is my ID. Please add me as agency. In case you feel you cannot do all that, you can just DM me. Join the Telegram. The link is in the description of this video and in the Telegram group. Just DM me and tell me, I'll add you to my agency. Okay, it's very important. And how you see that, if you come, you just click on your profile and tap on this message as touched below. So once you click on it, that is, you are going to see an invitation. It'll only accept invitation by IJAPARI gang. Some people are trying to be like maybe fast to send you invitation, and you're going to struggle a lot, because if you are not following the person that knows, you might fall a victim. So ensure you accept invite only from IJAPARI gang. That is, this one is another option. That is if you do not add me as agency. But once you add me as agency and add your logo, you are good to go, and you are going to receive congratulations. That is if I'm the one that add you. But you yourself, if you add yourself, you receive the congratulations at the same time. So once you are already part of my agency, the next thing is you start performing your tasks, and which I explain it in detail in the next video. So like and follow for more. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.